Want to sell dietary supplements on Walmart? Follow this approval process step by step. We recently got one of our clients approved for dietary supplements on Walmart. They also approved them for medical devices. So I guess it's combined. So I'll take it. They'll take it. It's a win-win. Walmart did send an email on pretty much how to get approved. And what it pretty much says is you do need to be a brand owner. Brand owners and authorized sellers remain eligible to sell these types of items. Walmart might also ask for these crazy documents that you probably don't have, but I wouldn't worry until they ask for them, because they didn't ask for them for us, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you have a trademark, and then you're going to follow these steps, right? Once you have a trademark, you're going to ensure that your listing, your dietary supplement listing, is created on Walmart. Now, it's going to say error. It's going to say you need product approval, but you need that there so you can reference a listing. Once that's there, then you're going to get brand portal approval with that new trademark. The trademark needs to be fully approved, by the way. Then you're going to open up a case in Seller Center, be like, yo, I'm brand portal approved. Let me start selling supplements, follow up, and then boom, you can sell supplements. It sounds easy, but the step-by-step process, a lot of people don't know about, right? But you can just Google, if you want to get brand portal approved, just type in brand portal Walmart, and then it's going to say Walmart brand portal. Click on that, sign up, register, show them your trademark, get approved, and now you're brand portal approved. Once you're brand portal approved, you're going to contact Walmart, and you're just going to go all the way over here. Let me exit out of this. Click that question mark, click contact support, say, hi, Walmart, I am brand portal approved. Please reinstate my dietary supplement item ID. And then you're going to put your item ID in there and then click next. Awesome. It's going to give you the wrong features, so you have to go to issue categories. And then you're going to go to items in inventory. And then you're going to go to item is unpublished. And then you're going to click seller eligibility for restricted categories. Contact us. This is the form to get reinstated. This is the OG form, and they're going to ask you multiple times, are you registered in Walmart's brand portal? Answering no is not disqualifying. Yes, it is. So say yes. You have to say yes right now. Maybe over time you can say no, but as of right now, I haven't seen anybody who said no get their products get approved to sell supplements on Walmart. So you do need to do that. After that, you're going to be following up with them on a regular basis, create multiple cases, whatever you need to do to get a response. And then finally, once you're done, there is the potential to get this email. Did we submit any documents? No. Did Walmart ask for any documents? No. Other than brand portal. But once your brand portal approved, it seems like the approval process is a lot easier. Now, we also offer a full audit, so you can go into the link in the description. And we're one of the only companies right now that offers a free Walmart listing audit. And this is legit. So we've got tools where we can see how much your competitors are making per month on Walmart. Not only that, we can see if they're running ads, what keywords they're running for ads, what's their organic rank compared to your organic rank. And we'll give you top improvements on how to improve your listing, get enhanced brand content, all that good stuff on Walmart to make you stand out and generate more sales. It's completely free, great practice for our team, and it's going to help you in the long run. So feel free to grab that in the link below on our website. And if you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like getting approved for any type of category on Walmart or any Walmart issue, we're experts in it. The link's right in the description to contact us at EHP Consulting Group. We also offer full account management. We'll manage your inventory, customer service, ads, deal with Walmart support for you, and make sure your sales increase. It's all about helping you work on your business so that way you can focus on growing it. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
Yeah.